is, the brand, if you can see, is Loog, L-O-O-G. And this is the mini 3-string guitar. It's for kids, but it's really fun for every age. And it actually sounds, some kids' guitars just don't sound like a guitar. This actually sounds like a guitar. The 3-string design makes it easier to learn on because there's just a few basic chords. It makes it a lot less confusing. It makes learning easier and faster. And so I found that, you know, my son doesn't get nearly as discouraged because he's actually feels like he's making progress. It's super cute. It's real wood. The strings feel real. We've had it for a while and it stayed in tune pretty well. It's an all-around, I mean, it's a really cool instrument, especially, it says 3+, because, you know, it's tiny. It's like bigger than a ukulele, but, you know, the neck is longer than a ukulele. I love this thing. It's fun to play with. It sounds great. It's adorable. It's, you know, we can take it when we travel. So I would definitely recommend it if your kids are at all interested in guitar. Loog is the brand. It can be tuned. Yeah, and it sounds great. It's fun to play with. It's a great learning tool. So I would highly recommend it. It comes in a couple different colors. We got the black and white. It's durable, it's lasted. I would definitely recommend. It comes with flashcards and it comes with an app that's compatible. So there's all kinds of, you know, neat features that come with it too. So definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. Love this little guy.